All right, so today we're going to learn how we simplify linear expression. Now, linear expression is a part of algebraic expression, which is a mathematical statement containing letters and numbers with no equal sign, unlike equations. So we're going to combine this, and the first thing we're going to start is we're going to combine the W, 7W, with 3W, which is going to be like 10W. So 7W plus 3W, right? And then we're going to combine, right? Plus, and we have the negative 2 and 5, the negative 2 and 5, right? So here we have 10W, right? Plus negative 2 plus 5 is going to be 3, right? And that's going to be the answer. No, we cannot combine like a letter with the number, so it's gonna stay like this, like 10W plus 3. In this example, we're gonna add these two expressions like 5x minus 3 plus 3 parentheses negative x plus 2. Now we're gonna remove the parentheses first, right? So we're gonna remove the parentheses. It's gonna be like 5x minus 3 plus, and here we have distributive, we're going to use distributive property. We're going to distribute 3, so 3 times negative x and 3 times 2, right? Now for distributive property, distribute means we use multiplication over addition or subtractions. So that's exactly what we're going to do here. So 3 times negative x will be negative 3x, and 3 times 2 will be 6, right? So we're going to combine 5x with negative 3x. It's going to be 2x, right? And negative 3 plus 6 will be positive 3. And that's going to be the answer. All right, in this example, we're going to subtract 7x minus 1 minus 2x plus 6, right? So we're going to remove the parentheses first. So we're going to have 7x minus 1. And remember, here we have like negative 1. So we're going to distribute negative 1 over 2x and 6 here. So negative 1 times 2x will be negative 2x. And negative 1 times 6 will be negative 6 here, right? So we're going to combine again 7x with negative 2x. That will be 5x, right? So this is gone. And we have negative 1 added to negative 6. We're going to add two values are negative. We're going to add the value 7, and we're going to keep the sign. Both of them are positive and negative will stay negative. It's going to be like 5x minus 7. That would be the answer. In this example, we're going to learn how we evaluate linear expression. Now, evaluate linear expression, we will substitute a number for a variable in the expression. Then we're going to simplify the expression. In this case, we have 9x plus 10 for x equals 5. In other words, what is the value of 9x plus 10 when x equals 5? So we're going to substitute x by 5. So we're going to substitute x by 5. So we're going to have 9 times 5. Instead of x, we're going to have 5 plus 10. And by using PEMDAS, order of operations, we're going to multiply first. 9 times 5 will be 45 plus 10, and the answer will be 55. So we have this example. We're going to evaluate this linear expression, negative 4 times 5x minus 1 for x equals negative 2. So we're going to substitute x by negative 2. So that would be like negative 4 times 5, and x equals negative 2 minus 1, right? So we're going to solve inside the parentheses first. It's going to be like negative 4, and 5 times negative 2 will be negative 10 minus 1. Remember, inside the parentheses, we're going to have we have multiplication and subtraction. So we're going to use the multiplication first for order of operations. And here we're going to solve inside the parentheses first, right? So it's going to be like negative 4, and negative 10, negative 1, that would be negative 11, right? And here we have negative 4 times negative 11. So negative times negative is positive, right? And 4 times 11 will be 44. So the answer would be just 44.